Hey everyone, this is Chase at Rocky Mountain HVMC giving you a closer look at the folding glass windshield from Tusk. Alright, so today we're giving you a closer look at this folding glass windshield from Tusk. This is a premium glass windshield, and right off the bat, the biggest feature about this that we want to highlight is that it is a folding windshield. So for us, for any side-by-side, one of our top accessories is a windshield, and that's because, one, they offer great comfort from the wind, but also great protection from objects flying into the cab. Now what's nice about it being a folding windshield is you just get a little bit more versatility out of it. For example, today we've been driving around in this canyon. So in the morning time, it's about 65 degrees, and that can be pretty chilly when you get going, 30, 40 miles an hour. But as the day warms up, it can be anywhere from 80 to 85 degrees up here today. So as it warms up, if you want to, you can simply fold this windshield down. It honestly only takes about a minute to do. So again, you just get a little bit more versatility. So glass windshields, they're premium. They're gonna be more expensive than a plastic windshield, but there's some features and benefits to these that we feel are worth the investment. So the first thing that we want to cover is going to be with construction. So as I mentioned, this is premium glass, so it's a laminated safety glass, which means it's the same type of glass that you had on your car windshield or your truck windshield your entire life, which means the optics and the clarity are going to be top notch. Also, you're going to notice with this that it does have a slight tint to it, which is nice. So it's going to give a little bit of eye relief on those sunnier days. And also being glass, it's going to age well, and it's not going to pit like polycarbonate will do sometimes. So that's your glass. And then with the outside, with the frame of it, that's going to be powder coated steel. So that's going to be the outside frame as well as the filler plate you have up at the top. And what's great about that construction is, one, it's obviously very strong, but also very rigid. So the more rigid that it is, the less it's going to vibrate. So if you're worried about vibration with this windshield, that's something that you can just toss out the window. So great construction, great rigidity. So a couple more things I want to highlight before we show you just how easy it is to fold this windshield down is down here along the bottom, you've got two vents that are built in, which is actually really nice because when this is in the upright position, if you want to get a little bit of airflow to help with some cooling, or if you want to help combat that negative pressure in the cab so you prevent dust from swirling, you've got these vents that you can pop open real easy. So they are adjustable, so you can open it up as much as you want. And once you've done that, there's a fastening knob on the inside. You just tighten that down. That will hold the vent open. And then when you want it closed, just loosen that knob. The vent will close right up, tighten it down, you're going to be good to go. Also down here at the bottom, you can see that you've got a piano hinge. And what I like is that rather than having two separate hinges, it actually goes across the entire length of the bottom of the windshield. So again, when it comes to that durability factor, they didn't leave anything behind. So when it comes to folding the windshield down, as I mentioned earlier, very simple to do. It's honestly going to take you about a minute. You've got two fastening knobs, one on each side at the top of the windshield. You're just going to loosen those, take those out, fold the windshield down, and you're going to notice that you've got these windshield rests on the hood. And on these windshield rests, you've got these cushions here. That's going to support the windshield. So you're just going to take those same fastening knobs that you loosen up top, and you're going to use those to secure it down onto the hood. So very simple to do. All right, so you've seen just how easy it is to fold the windshield down. Now, a couple things that I want to point out that I think are really awesome about this windshield is once it's down, okay, you have these, again, these window rests on the hood, but you can see that even with just those two fastening knobs, this thing is held in place extremely well. I can shake the entire UTV, the windshield does not budge. So they did a great job with making sure that's going to be very secure when it's folded down. Now also, something I want to point out while this is down, you're going to notice up at the top. So you've got that filler plate, like I mentioned earlier, that's going to be powder coated steel. But up there you can see we've got a wiper blade. Now the wiper blade doesn't come included, but if you want to, you can pick this windshield up with that blade as a kit. But you're gonna notice there is a little knob on this filler plate. That is actually to hold that wiper blade up when you have the windshield folded down. So when you have the windshield folded up, obviously you would remove that or take it off of there. It's resting on the windshield. And if you're gonna pick up a full glass windshield, I highly recommend having a wiper blade. If these get wet, if they get pretty dirty, those do come in handy when it comes to clearing out the windshield so you maintain that good visibility. All right, so now we got the windshield back up. Let's just talk about mounting real quick. So what's great about this is that mounting is very simple, comes with detailed instructions. It's not going to take you very long, and all your clamps, all your hardware is going to come included. So with the windshield rest that we have on the hood, so with these, just keep in mind it does require a little bit of drilling. So it's just two small holes on each side in the plastic, very simple. And then with the windshield, that does not require any drilling, any modification. So at the bottom, you're gonna have two bolts that go into your A-pillars here. So those bolts are gonna come included. And then with the filler plate at the top, that's gonna have billet aluminum clamps that are just gonna bolt right onto your roll cage. So once you have everything lined up and mounted up, you can secure everything down and you're good to go. All right, so there it is. That is the folding glass windshield coming from Tusk. Remember, your laminated safety glass, great construction, mounts up nice and easy. If you guys have any other questions, you can leave your comments below. We'll help get those answered. And also, we do have a couple options. If you don't want the folding glass windshield, we do have a glass windshield from Tusk that is a fixed one as well. So depending on what you want, a couple different options. Also, when you're picking yours up, it is machine specific, so make sure you enter the make, the model, and the year of your side-by-side to ensure you get proper fitment. And to pick yours up, just click on the link at the end of this video. Remember guys, orders over $75 ship free. If you like this product spotlight, hit that like button and get subscribed, and that's gonna keep you up to date. I'm Chase the Rocky Mountain. We'll see you on the trails.